Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make online income. In today's video, I want to talk to you about a question that one of our subscribers put on one of my videos, and his name is Alexander Patrick, and he asked me a question about starting my YouTube channel and kind of what the foundation was for the different things that I look at when it comes to my views and my likes and subscribers. After I had put out a video about how your online business might fail. So I want to answer Alexander's question today for him, and kind of thought I'd put a video together so if you guys have the same question that maybe I can help you out. Before we get into the topic, I do want to remind you that down here in my description I have some great tools for you guys, and the one I want to talk about today is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, it's a great tool if you have or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel to help you get more views and to help you get more likes and to help you get more subscribers. I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
I do want to say that if you get a paid version of TubeBuddy by using my link in my description, I do get a commission. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is you can start off by using it for absolutely free. So head down on my description if you would like to get a copy of it for yourself. And with that, let's get into the topic. So the first thing I want to say about my YouTube channel is that this channel, when I decided to start it, I decided to approach this YouTube thing as a business. I've had a couple of other channels that were kind of hobbies, and I didn't really take them seriously. But when I started this YouTube channel, I decided to go all in on it. I decided that it was going to be my business, and I wanted to build my business around YouTube. So when I first started my YouTube channel, this is the mindset and the approach that I took with it. If you're going to only do it as a hobby, then you're probably not going to get very far with it. However, if you approach this YouTube thing as a business and you lay out everything that you need to be successful, you can grow your subscribers, you can grow your views, you can grow your likes, and you can grow your watch time so that you can start actually making money at it. So kind of wanted to throw that out there, that when I started this channel, I didn't start it as a hobby. I started it as an actual business, and this is how I took the approach to it. So I'm going to throw up Alexander's comment right here, and I'm going to read through it with you so that you guys can see what he actually asked. He said, "Another great informative video. Thanks you so much. I like how you mentioned that people have a substantial amount of fear. Fear is what motivates all of us practically in every situation. The mentioning of goals and how to outlay that is important. You want to climb the ladder, you have to go one step at a time. Analysis paralysis, that's a very good summation that you made. If you never get to the action phase, you can never do anything. You will never know if you could be successful or if something works or not. Your knowledge is power, but true power is action. What you do with that knowledge is where the results come from." And here's where his actual question came in. It says, "I wanted to ask you, as far as having a YouTube channel, views versus subscribers versus likes, what is the most important way to earn generated revenue and being monetized as far as those three things are concerned? It seems like it would be like the Nielsen ratings for television, where how many people are watching as opposed to how many people are subscribing or how many people like it. But it does seem to be different with YouTube. What are your thoughts on that? What information do you have? I greatly appreciate it. See you later. So the first thing I want to say is thank you so much, Alexander, for asking the question. And I'm going to dive into kind of what I've done my first year with YouTube. I'm coming up on March 5th here soon, which is when I posted my very first videos to YouTube. And I kind of want to talk to you about what I've done my first year. One caveat that I want to throw out, which I do all the time in my food delivery videos, is whatever I mention here, if it's something that you think that might help you do better, try it out for yourself and see if it works. And if it works, go with it. If it doesn't work for your channel, then find something else to take a look at to help your channel. So what I do works for me, but it might not be the best for you and your channel. So try it out and see if it works and go from there. So when it comes to building your YouTube channel, there are a few things that you have got to understand to lay a foundation for it. The first thing I'm going to mention is you have got to put out content on a consistent basis. When I started my YouTube channel, the first couple of weeks, I put out videos 2 times a week. And then I realized that I should put out more, so I bumped it up to 3 times a week. And since I made that decision, which has been about 11 months ago, I have put out 3 videos every week at the same day and at the same time. I did switch my Friday videos to Thursday a couple of months ago because I thought that I might get more views and more people that watch the videos if I put them out on Thursday instead of Friday. But overall, I have kept the same schedule since the first time I put a video out. So this is really, really important when you're trying to get subscribers and you want to get those views and you want to get those likes also, to make sure that you are putting content out on a consistent basis. If you look at my channel, you know that every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday a video will come out, so you know that content will be there. That is really going to help you get people to come back to your channel because they know that they can expect something to be there at a particular day and at a particular time. So it's very important that you are consistent in your posting. As far as looking at the actual views and the actual likes and the actual numbers of subscribers, the approach that I kind of take to it is I kind of feel that they all go hand in hand. You have got to get people to view your videos, and to view the videos, that's how you get the likes on them. And then to get the likes on them, that's how you get subscribers to your channel. So when I take a look at the actual numbers, when I take a look at the overall stats of my channel, I look at the number of views, I look at the number of likes, I look at the number of subscribers, and I make sure that that is consistently going in the right direction, which is up. So when I take a look at the different things, I look to make sure that all of the numbers are going up on my channel, and I don't focus on just one. When I put a video out, I look to see how it does, and I look to see if it is increasing my views for each video. I look at the number of likes. I know what my percentage of likes is overall on my videos. So currently right now I'm sitting between about 10 and 15% of the people that view my videos, they actually hit like on the video. So I know what my number is, and as long as that number is staying consistent or going up, then I don't worry about it. I also look at the number of subscribers. And you got to realize that when it comes to getting subscribers onto your channel, there are a couple of different types of content that you put out. The first type of content is what we call evergreen content. And what evergreen content is this is content that is going to be relevant no matter how long it sits on your YouTube channel. There's videos that I put about doing food delivery where I teach strategies and I teach lessons to people, and those lessons are always going to be relevant, so that content will always be relevant. The same thing is true with my semi-passive income stuff. There's lessons that I teach in videos, and those lessons are always going to be relevant no matter how far or how long that video is out there. And then there's other types of videos that I put out there, and I call them kind of like shock factor videos. And this might be somewhere or something that you talk about that is controversial, and it gets people to view it because it might be a hot topic just at that point in time. I'm going to use the app Para as an example when it comes to food delivery. When I first started my YouTube channel, the buzz of the gig tubers was Para and what Para was doing. I used that to my advantage, and I put out a couple of videos about Para that got people to actually come to my channel because they wanted to hear what I had to say about Para, and this led them into looking at my other videos. I also put other videos together, like one that I did a few months ago was called Stop Doing Food Delivery Full Time. This was a shock factor video in that I talked about the fact that food delivery is a good thing, but you should also look at how you can get out of doing food delivery. But it really brought people to my channel. The other type of content is shorts. I have found that when I put shorts out there, the shorts that I put out there draw people to my channel, and I use those simply as a tool to get people to come to my channel and look at my other videos. I have gotten a ton of subscribers off of my shorts because the shorts are a quick blurb that can give people a quick glimpse of my channel, and it's brought a lot of people to my channel. So there are those three different types of content that I've put together for my channel that have really worked for me, which is the evergreen, and then the kind of shock and awe type of videos, and then my shorts. The last thing I want to talk about is your actual people that are coming to your channel. If you want people to come back, you have got to engage them, and you have got to engage them every time they try to engage you. This is something I have done for every comment that has been put on any of my videos. I always respond to them. You have three different types of viewers that come to your channel. You have your core group of viewers that come to your channel, and these are the people that are going to come and watch every single video of yours. They might put a comment, they might like it, but you have a core group of people that are going to form on your channel that is going to kind of be your gang, the people that are always going to be there. Then you also have some casuals, which are the people that come and watch your videos, but they might not come and watch every single video that you put out there, and they engage you when you have something that is really interesting to them, and they are going to be there on a consistent basis, but not like that core group of people. And then you're going to have the people that are outside of your channel that might run across your videos through the YouTube browser, and these are people that watch your video, but they might not subscribe, they might not like, but they kind of are on the outside, but they take a look in every once in a while. So you do have three different types of viewers that come to your channel. One thing that I've really done and really made sure that I did on my channel is I always comment when somebody comments to me, whether it's a question, whether it's a statement, whether it's something that they think. I always comment back to the people that comment on my channel. Another thing that I've done to make sure that I get the views on my videos and I get people to watch my videos is a lot of times when people ask me questions after I put out 25 or 30 videos, a lot of times they ask questions that I had already answered in another video. So when I put a comment back to somebody, I always tried to put a link to the video that answers their question, and that gets people going to your other videos to watch it. And not only that person, but when somebody comes and reads that comment and says, hey, I had that question too, what was the answer? They go look at my comment back to them, see the video, so that they can click on that video too. So it's really important that you answer every single comment that you have, and always try to tie your answers to those comments back to another video that you've done, so that you can get people to spend more time on your channel and to watch your videos when you put them out there. And then another thing that I've done is, just like this video I'm doing here, Alexander, when people ask me a question and I feel that it might be relevant to a large group of people on my channel, I put a video together for it so that I can answer that question for that person, but I can also answer that question for other people. So I haven't seen a whole lot of people that do video responses to comments that they have and go in depth to the questions that people have on their channel. So I've actually found this is a great way for me to engage my audience and to get more people to view my channel, because I actually engage everybody on my channel, and sometimes I do it with a video. Usually about, about 2 to 4 videos a month I put out is a direct answer to a question that I've had on my comments. So these are some of the different things that I look at when it comes to getting more views, more likes, and more subscribers. Personally, I don't find any one of them more important than the other, because they all go hand in hand and they all work together to build your YouTube channel and to build the number of subscribers that you have on your YouTube channel. So when I take a look at it, I look at all the numbers and see what's going on, and if I see that those numbers are dipping and going down, I figure out what I need to do to get them back going up again. So all the numbers are really important to me, Alexander, and I want to say thank you for asking the question that you did. I hope that I helped you out and answered that question for you a little bit, so that you can have a better understanding of what I've done my first year to grow my channel to where it is right now, and what I'm continuing to do to continue to grow that channel. So want to remind you, head down into my description, go grab that copy of TubeBuddy if you would like, and you have a YouTube channel or you're getting ready to start one. Also want to tell you about a great tool that I have in the description also, which is Bluehost. Bluehost, if you are thinking about creating a website, you can get one started for $3 to $5 a month. So go check out my link for Bluehost if you're interested in starting a website. Also would like to ask you to please like this video and to subscribe to my channel, so that you can continue to get the content that I pump out here, as I said in the video, consistently 3 times a week. With that, I want to say I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.